Gochieng Giao sees the need to tap more pro cagers in the country's preparations for the upcoming international basketball competitions. This even as he expressed his full backing to the Gilas Cadet program. This report.
Rain or shine, head coach Yang Giao is in full support of the Gilas Cadet program of the Samahang Basketball Pilipinas. Recently, the SBP and the PBA have been discussing a special draft for the cadets so they could secure spots in the national team as well as in the Pro League. For the next coming years, a number of FIBA-sanctioned tournaments await the Gilas Pilipinas team. That's why management sees the need for a long-term program. In an exclusive phone interview, Giao expressed his belief that management needs to focus on the pro cagers more than cadets if the country wishes to step up in the international scene. Some of the events lined up are the 2017 FIBA Asia Championship, 2019 FIBA World Cup, and 2020 Olympic Games in Tokyo, Japan.
Wala naman akong major concern, no. Although I already expressed my support, no, doon sa plano ng SBP at ng PBA na magkaroon ng separate na drafting para doon sa mga Gilas players, no, para rin hindi sila mahuli doon sa pagpasok sa PBA, just in case after ng stint nila with Gilas, gusto nila mag-PBA, meron na silang team, no? So sinusuportahan ko sila doon. At the same time, ito, may mga tournament sila, may mga competition sila. Hindi naman pwede mag-participate ang mga PBA players dahil ongoing yung PBA. Tama lang, no? Tama lang na sila na yung ipadala. Nagkaka-experience pa sila.
In line with this, Giao also assured that there is no issue if the SBP tops his ROS players for the national team.
Palagay ko, hindi naman mangyayari 'yon, Pero kami ever since willing naman kami magpahiram, no. Nagpapahiram naman talaga kami, no. Hiniram nila si Bo, hiniram nila si Gabe, hiniram nila si Jeff, hiniram nila si Paul. Itong nahuli, gusto nilang hiramin si Almasan, pinahiram din namin, panandalian. So, wala naman kaming tinatanggihan. Pagka gusto nila for the national interest, wala naman kaming tinatanggihan.
Giao also voiced out his thoughts if he was offered to coach the Gilas Pilipinas squad. Giao is busy preparing his Rain or Shine Alaso Painters team in the ongoing PBA Governors Cup in its bid to secure a spot in playoffs. PTV News, Argan Malgare.